Crypto is fragmented and complex. Chains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP are running on their own isolated island, making it hard for users and assets to move freely and reach their full potential. Thorchain has changed that, building the rails that connect them all. It's the central station for crypto, where humans and machines access native cross-chain liquidity. When assets move over, they're securely locked in a decentralized vault, fully redeemable at any time, and protected by the integrity of decentralized consensus. Safeguarded by a network of 120 independent validators. On top of this foundation is where Rujira begins. It taps into these secured assets, powering products anyone can use, from any wallet, from any connected chain. Trade, lend, borrow, liquidate, fund new projects, explore NFTs, all in one place. A sex-like experience, fully decentralized. Rujira, the Omnichain DeFi experience.